Your washing machine just stopped mid-cycle. It's full of water, your clothes are trapped, and blinking lights are mocking you. Your first instinct is to call a repairman. He will come over, press 2 buttons, look at a screen, and charge you $200 just for walking through the door. Stop. You can do exactly what he does right now for free. Every modern washing machine, whether it's a Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, or Bosch, has a secret menu built into its computer. It is called Diagnostic Mode. This isn't a feature they advertise to customers. It is a hidden interface designed exclusively for service technicians, but you can access it if you know the cheat code. It usually involves a specific combination of buttons. For some Whirlpool models, you turn the knob left, right, 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 left, right. It sounds like a cheat code for a video game, but suddenly all the lights will flash and the machine will enter a test state. From here, you can force the machine to spin, force it to drain, or test the water valves individually. Most importantly, it will show you the error codes. Instead of just guessing, maybe it's the pump, the screen will flash a code like F7 or E1. You take that code, type it into Google along with your model number, and it will tell you exactly what is wrong. Motor failure. Door latch broken. Drain blockage. Once you know the code, you aren't a helpless victim anymore. You can buy that specific part online for $20 and watch a video on how to swap it. You just saved yourself a massive repair bill by pressing a few buttons. So before you throw away a $1,000 appliance or pay a stranger a fortune to look at it, find your manual or search for your model's technician sheet. The machine is trying to tell you what's wrong. You just have to know how to listen.